Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel CS Baba. In this session, we will discuss about how to install EXSi server in your virtual machine. You can install EXSi server in bare metal, or you can also install EXSi server. So I am going to test only. So for just this tutorial only for testing purpose. So I will install this EXSi server in VMware workstation. So guys, if you are first time viewer on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. So first thing, I will give you some overview about how to download EXSi server. So just go to, if you are you need to log into VMware, or you can also download the EXSi server hpe.com, and so these are the HP customized EXSi server. These are the versions. So I have already downloaded the 7.02 version EXSi server, which I will show to you here. I already have downloaded VMware EXSi customized 7.02. So I will going to create a virtual machine in VMware workstation. So click to create a new virtual machine. Just click on create a new virtual machine. There is a two option here. So I will going to select the custom advanced. So need to click on next. So here in hardware I need to select the EXSi server 7. So I have selected the EXSi server 7 because my EXSi server version is 7. So just click again next. So there is three option here. Which option I will install the operating system later. Just click on next later. So there is an option here, guest operating system. Which operating system you are going to install? So I will going to install VMware EXSi. So I need to select the VMware EXSi. Here is the version in the version. So just need to click and check the version 7 or later. Just select the 7 version. And my EXSi server is 7. Just click to again next. Here you can assign the name. So I will going to assign EXSi, and the location will be it's up to you. You can select the location. So I will going to select the location. So here I will create a new EXSi. Just click to EXSi. Already having this name, EXSi 7. So I have created one folder and select this. So I have created one folder and select this. Just click to next again, and here you are going to assign the processor and number of processor. How many? I will going to assign 2 processor. This is just a testing purpose. So I will again number of 4 processor will be 2. It will be 4. Just click again next. So here you are going to assign the random memory access. So I will going to assign here 8 GB. Just select to next, and here you will going to select the network connection. I will use bridge network. So just select the bridge network and click to next, and leave as it is default. Just click to next again, and Esxi, just click again as recommended. Which virtual disk I will going to select. I have already selected Esxi. Just click to next, create a virtual network, and here create a virtual machine. Here you can check create a new virtual disk. So just click to next, and here is the storage. How many storage you are. I will going to here assign the 500 GB. I will not going to split my hard disk. Just store in a single file. Just click to next again, and again you will this is specify the disk file. Just click to next. My specified disk file will be vmdk. So just click to next, and here is the option customize hardware. So I will going to click on customize hardware, and now and click to auto detected new ISO file. Just click to use ISO image. Just click to browse again, and I will show to you here. I will going to select EXSi server 7. So I will going to select EXSi server 7, EXSi. This the EXSi which I already have downloaded. So just click to close this and finish. Once you will going to finish it. Now, so I have created one virtual machine. My next step will going to install EXSi server. So just I will going to power on this virtual machine. Just click to power on this virtual machine, Once I will click to power on my virtual machine, my EXSi server, this is the EXSi interface which is starting to booting. You can check over here, this is the starting to booting. This is the process which I will going to show to you here. I will going to make a full screen, easily you can understand more. This is the actually. So guys, as you can check over here, once my virtual machine is booting, it will load, it will complete all the module whichever module is required to complete the VMware EXSi server. So I need to wait 2 minutes. It will complete the. So okay, it's still not successfully complete the installation. I need to wait. So these are the first thing they will going to install virtual network. They are going to install all the appliance of EXSi server. So all the appliance of EXSi server will be installed. So it's still not completed complete the loading. It's loading. So service is starting the service. So it's still not completed. So I need to wait here to complete all the loading, all the process. So now it's starting the process to install. So now it's starting the process to installation. So it's still the service is starting. Once the service is completed, we will check what is the next step. I will also guide you what will be the next step. It will be the I will going to create the I will going to create the static IP to this EXSi server. I will assign the password to the EXSi server. The later I will do that. Friends, once the installation process is going on, you will going to check here. Welcome to VMware EXSi server installation. So I will going to check it. Sorry, I will going to assign and will assign the static IP to the next step. So I will going to click to continue, just press enter, and here I will going to accept the term and condition of the EXSi server. So I will going to check the F11, just press to F11. So it will scan the available devices. This will take some time, and here this is the already taken the already assigned the local drive. So next step I will going to, if you will going to refresh, if it's not selected the local drive, so if you need to refresh it, if we click to F5, or you will going to, I will going to continue, just click to enter. So here this is the default language, US is the day. Here you are going to select the keyboard. So I will select the keyboard. My keyboard type will be the US. So select to the US and just press to enter. And here I will going to create a new password, whatever password you require. EXSi server, I will going to create new password. Just press enter. Just press enter once password type. So once root password and confirm password done, just press to enter and continue. So here the installation confirmation. Are you going to install? Yes, I will going to install. So just press F11. So it's installation. So we can check over here. Installation EXSi server 7.0 is going on. So once you have complete the installation process, so friends, once the installation process is done, there is an option here. You can check over here the option in yellow color. Remove the installation media. Yes, I will going to remove the installation media and reboot. I will going to reboot the EXSi server. Just press enter and it will be reboot and you can check over the server is reporting server. The server will be shut down and reboot. This will be take short time to complete. It will take some time to complete the rebooting process because it's fresh installation done. Once we have done the process, we'll going to, so you can check over here, still it will load. Once it will be reboot and it will load all the necessary appliances to the EXSi server appliance, and it will take little time to complete the process. So it's loading all the EXSi server network, everything appliance will be load, and we will check and we will going to assign the EXSi static IP and check also we can assign and we can enable the SSH secure shell login. Friends, once the installation process is done, you will get the screen like this. It's here you can check here there is a one IP which is dynamic IP. I will going to check this dynamic IP I will going to customize with static IP. I will, and there is a option in left corner you can check over here. F2 will be customized option and F12 will be shut down or restart. So I will going to, this is the my interface which I have installed EXSi server 7.02. So you can check over here VMware EXSi SS702 kernel version this, and we have installed, this is the my this is the core and memory size, and this is then the yellow line you can check over here, manage this host using F2 and F12. So I will going to click on F2. I need to type the password which I have assigned. So I will use the password. So I have logged in on the server, and again I will click to, if you want to change the password you can change, there is an option, and here this is the option. If you want, there is a multi-purple option here, configure lockdown menu or configure network, configure management network. So I will going to configure the network. So I will going to check this here, and this is the option here, restart. I will show to you here test network management, or this is network option here, network restore option. So I will going to configure network management. So I land to the, just press enter. Once you will press enter, there is the option here network adapter. Which network adapter you will going to check? I will going to check the VMNIC 0, so Ethernet 0. So I will check here IPv4 configuration. Just press enter, IPv4 configuration. Just press to enter. Once you will press enter, there is a have selected the IP address IPv4 configuration. There is a 3 option, disable IPv4. I will going to use the static IP. Set the static IP. Just click to tab. So I have selected the static IP. So I will configure this static IP also. I will change the static IP. So I will use the static IP7. 7 is the my static IP. Subnet, the leave it as it is default. Again, and press enter. OK. So I have selected, assign the static IP 192.168.7. 1.7. So I have assigned this static IP. So I will also check the IP version 6 configuration. If you want to configure the IPv6, you can enable or you can disable. Just press enter. Over here there is an option disable. If you want to disable or leave as it is default, just press OK and cancel, escape cancel. So there is a, here is a DNS, dynamic domain name system. So here is DNS server, domain name server, you configuration. This configuration already once we have installed, the first time install, you will get the primary DNS. So I already have assigned 192.168.1.1. If you want to add the one more DNS, just press enter, and you can add the alternative here obtain DNS. This is the obtain automatic DNS. If you want to add the DNS, you can add the DNS, or I will going to escape this. I will not going to just press escape. So this is, and I have assigned, I have login, and there is a one more option I will show to you here. Just click, because I have done this process. Just press escape configuration network. Yes, I want to apply the configuration. Just press yes. Why? So I have applied this configuration. This configuration done, and there is an option keyboard. I have selected the keyboard will be the US default, and other option I will also show to you. I will going to log in this server. To the installation is done, you can check over here. Your installation is completed. Once installation is completed, you are getting static IPs. This 192.168.1.3, and this is your IPv6 static IP. Once installation is EXSi server 7 is completed, you can log in to EXSi server in 3 options. In 3 options you can log in. There is a one option is vSphere, and another option is you can also check to your workstation like this. This is the workstation which I have. This is the workstation. I am getting this interface, and another option is you can use your browser. So I will use the browser here. This is the browser which I will show to you. This is the IP 192.168.1.3. Just click to enter. Once you have typed the IP, now you are going to type the username and password to the host. So my username is root and password is this. Whatever password you have assigned to your EXSi server. So finally I have logged into my EXSi server, and the first time after installation, this is the my CPU, this is memory, this is the storage which I have assigned the storage over here. So guys, over here, if you want to create a virtual machine, you can create a click to virtual machine. Now there is no any virtual machine, and the version you can check over here. This is the version which I have installed, 7.02 update 2 version, and you can, if you want to create a virtual machine, you can create here, and or about everything option over here. So friends, if you want to enable the SSH service, you just click to action. Here is the option action. Click to action. There is a services. Here is the services. If you want to enable the EXSi SSH secure cell, you can just click to SSH and enable the if you want to enable the secure cell, enable the console or shell cell, you can also click on this, and once you will click, it will be enabled. And here is the option. This is the virtual machine, this is the networking part, and this is the storage position. So networking will be there. This is the networking option. Here there is the 2 switches. This is the virtual 1 and virtual 2 switches, which is a storage position of this virtual machine. This you want to create a virtual machine, I will show to you here. Just click to create a virtual machine, and there is an option what kind of virtual machine you want to install. So this is the process to, so guys, this is the process to install EXSi server in your VMware workstation on bare metal. You can also use the same steps. So guys, you can also use the same steps to install the EXSi server in your bare metal. I have much experience in, I have implemented, as I can share to you my experience about EXSi server. I have installed EXSi 6 and EXSi server in more than 10 in bare metal. Basically we are using in your, if you will land to the real-time experience, you will mostly officially you are using in a bare metal, and there is a much option you can use whatever the required thing you can use. So guys, this is the process to install, configure, install EXSi server in your bare metal or VMware workstation, and assign the static IP and create virtual machine. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice